Yoga Nidra, also known as yogic sleep, or effortless relaxation, is a guided meditation technique aimed at inducing deep relaxation while you remain conscious. Here are some of the reported benefits of Yoga Nidra. Reduce stress and anxiety. Yoga Nidra can help activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation and counteracts the fight-or-flight response. Studies suggest it may be even more effective than meditation for reducing anxiety. Improved sleep. Yoga Nidra can help train the mind and body to enter a state of deep relaxation, similar to sleep, which can improve sleep quality, enhanced focus and creativity. By quieting the mind, Yoga Nidra can improve concentration and focus. Pain management. Yoga Nidra may help manage chronic pain by promoting relaxation and reducing stress, which can exacerbate pain perception. Boosted immunity. Research suggests that Yoga Nidra's relaxation effects can lead to a stronger immune system function. What is Yoga Nidra? Master the technique for deep relaxation. Yoga Nidra is generally practiced lying down on your back in a comfortable position. A guided session will typically involve techniques like body scans, breath awareness, and visualization.
ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে লাইক, কমেন্ট ও শেয়ার করুন আর নিয়মিত আপডেট পেতে চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবং বেল আইকনে গিয়ে ক্লিক করুন।